Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly captivate a woman's heart? There are subtle yet powerful dynamics at play that many men overlook. Women have certain vulnerabilities and weaknesses that, if understood and leveraged correctly, can make you incredibly attractive in their eyes. These aren't about manipulation, but rather understanding what makes women tick and how you can naturally align with those traits. Today, we're diving into these often misunderstood aspects of attraction. By mastering these elements, you'll not only gain an edge, but also build deeper, more meaningful connections with the women you meet. Ready to uncover the secrets that can transform your love life? Let's get started. 1. Consistency. Building trust and attraction through your actions. Consistency is the cornerstone of trust in any relationship. Women are naturally attracted to men whose actions match their words. It's easy to make promises, but far fewer men actually follow through. When you are consistent, you create a sense of stability that women find irresistible. They want to feel secure, and a man who shows up as he says he will is immensely attractive. How to use it? Speak less, act more. Instead of making grand promises, let your actions do the talking. For example, if you tell her you'll call at a specific time, make sure you do it. Consistency in small actions builds a solid foundation of trust. Be reliable. Show up on time, keep your commitments, and follow through on your plans. This reliability will make her feel valued and respected. Surround yourself with female friends. When women see that other women enjoy being around you, it subtly signals that you are a trustworthy and high-value man. This social proof can significantly boost your attractiveness. By being consistent, you project an image of stability and reliability, traits that are highly attractive to women. They want a partner who they can count on, and your consistent behavior will set you apart from the rest. 2. Confidence. Projecting security and unshakable belief in yourself. Confidence is a magnet for attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude security and self-assuredness. Confidence shows that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you won't be easily swayed by others' opinions. It's about how you carry yourself, how you respond in conversations, and how you handle various situations. How to use it? Speak with certainty. When you speak, do so with conviction. Avoid fillers like or maybe. This clarity and decisiveness in your speech convey confidence. Listen more than you talk. Women appreciate being heard. Listening actively shows that you are interested in what she has to say, creating a deeper connection. It also adds an air of mystery around you, making her want to know more. Set boundaries. Don't be afraid to say no when necessary. Setting boundaries shows that you respect yourself and your time, which in turn makes you more respected and valued by others. True confidence isn't about boasting or dominating conversations. It's about being secure in who you are and showing genuine interest in those around you. When you project this kind of confidence, women feel safe and intrigued, wanting to know more about you. 3. Ambition. Inspiring her with your purpose and drive. Ambition is a trait that signals a life full of potential and growth. Women are attracted to men who have a clear sense of purpose and are striving towards their goals. It's not just about having a high-paying job. It's about having a vision and the drive to achieve it. This passion for self-improvement and success can be incredibly appealing. How to use it? Start a side project. Whether it's a small business, a hobby, or a personal goal, having a side project that you're passionate about shows dedication and ambition. Spend time each day working on it and share your progress with her. Engage in personal growth. Listen to podcasts, read books, or attend seminars on success and ambition. When you immerse yourself in a world of personal growth, it becomes a part of your personality and naturally comes up in conversations. Talk about your goals. When discussing your ambitions, do so with enthusiasm and energy. Share your vision for the future and the steps you're taking to achieve it. This demonstrates that you are driven and focused, qualities that are highly attractive. By showing your ambition, you highlight your potential for success and a fulfilling life. Women are drawn to men who are not content with mediocrity and are constantly striving for more. This drive and vision can inspire her and make you incredibly attractive. 4. Bad boy characteristics, adding just the right amount of edge. The allure of the bad boy is universal. Women are often attracted to men who exude a bit of an edge, those who bring excitement and unpredictability into their lives. This doesn't mean you have to be a jerk, but a touch of controlled selfishness, mystery, and leadership can go a long way in keeping her intrigued. How to use it? Be a little selfish. Maintain your own plans and don't always be overly accommodating. This shows that you have a life outside of her and that she isn't the center of your world. Lead the relationship. Set the tone and direction of your interactions. Women appreciate a man who takes charge and knows what he wants. This leadership can be very attractive. Keep her guessing. Add a layer of ambiguity to your words and actions. Show interest without revealing too much. This keeps her guessing and wanting to know more about you, increasing her attraction. By incorporating these bad boy characteristics in a balanced way, you create an emotional roller coaster that keeps her invested in you. Women are drawn to men who can bring excitement and a touch of unpredictability into their lives. 5. Ignorance as a tool, making her chase your attention. One of the simplest, yet most effective strategies in attraction is to use a bit of ignorance to your advantage. When you don't immediately shower her with attention, it challenges her. It's natural for her to wonder why she hasn't fully captured your focus, which taps into her desire to win you over. How to use it? Treat her neutrally. In social settings, don't single her out or give her special attention. Greet her briefly and then turn your focus to others. This neutral treatment can make her curious about why she isn't receiving your undivided attention. Don't chase her. After spending time together, don't immediately follow up or chase her. This back-and-forth dynamic keeps her engaged and wondering how to gain your full attention. Focus. When alone. When you are alone with her, give her your full attention. This contrast between your behavior in social settings and when you're alone creates an intriguing dynamic that keeps her wanting more. By using a bit of strategic ignorance, you can create a sense of challenge and intrigue. Women often find themselves more attracted to men who don't immediately fall at their feet, making this a powerful tool in your arsenal. 6. Pre-selection, letting other women boost your appeal. The pre-selection effect is a powerful phenomenon in attraction. When women see that other women like and desire you, it instantly boosts your attractiveness. This social proof suggests that if other women find you appealing, there must be something about you that's worth pursuing. How to use it? Cultivate a female social circle. Ensure you have a diverse social circle that includes women. Spend time with female friends and be seen in their company. This signals that you are comfortable around women and are a high-value man. Share social moments. Post photos and stories on social media with your female friends. Even if you're not romantically interested in them, these interactions boost your social proof. Be seen with women. Whether at parties, gatherings, or casual outings, being seen with women enhances your appeal. It subconsciously signals to other women that you are desirable and worth getting to know. By leveraging pre-selection, you can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Women will naturally be more intrigued by and interested in a man who is liked and desired by other women. 7. Scent, creating a lasting impression through olfactory cues. Scent plays a surprisingly strong role in attraction. Women have a heightened sense of smell, and a pleasant, memorable scent can be incredibly alluring. Most men overlook this aspect, but a well-chosen cologne or good personal grooming can make a lasting impression. How to use it? Develop a grooming routine. Incorporate a daily grooming routine that includes a subtle but pleasant cologne. Choose a fragrance that is memorable but not overpowering. Maintain hygiene. Pay close attention to your hygiene. Regular showers, clean clothes, and fresh breath are essential. Always carry breath mints or gum for close conversations. Select a signature scent. Find a cologne that complements your natural scent and wear it consistently. This creates a scent memory that she will associate with you, enhancing your attractiveness. By focusing on scent, you can create a powerful, lasting impression. A pleasant fragrance combined with good grooming habits can set you apart and make you more memorable and attractive to women. 8. Masculinity, exuding strength and independence. Masculinity is about more than physical strength. It encompasses confidence, independence, and a sense of purpose. Women are naturally drawn to men who display both physical and emotional strength. This signals that you can handle life's challenges and protect those you care about. How to use it. Stay physically active. Take care of your physical health by staying active and building a disciplined body. This reflects strength and dedication. Show independence. Make decisions independently and don't rely on others to boost your self-esteem. Displaying self-sufficiency makes you more attractive. Lead in social settings. Whether in your friend group or relationship, take the lead. Make decisions that show you are grounded and self-reliant. This demonstrates a strong masculine presence. By exuding masculinity, you project strength and confidence that women find highly attractive. They want to feel safe and secure with a partner who can handle life's ups and downs with resilience and poise. 9. Passion, sparking her interest through emotional intensity. Passion is contagious. When you talk about something you care deeply about, it draws people in, and women are no exception. Sharing your passion with enthusiasm creates an emotional connection and shows you have depth. This goes beyond small talk and leaves a lasting impression. How to use it. Find your passion. Identify something you're genuinely excited about, whether it's a hobby, project, or life goal. Engage with it regularly and let your enthusiasm shine through. Share your enthusiasm. When talking to her, share your passion with energy and excitement. This emotional intensity can be captivating and create a deeper connection. Gauge her interest. Pay attention to her reactions and engage her in the conversation. Sharing your passions shows you have depth and care deeply about something, making you more interesting and attractive. By expressing your passion, you create a connection that goes beyond superficial interactions. Women are drawn to men who are deeply engaged in life and can share that excitement with others. 10. Emotional intelligence, connecting through understanding and empathy. Emotional intelligence is a highly valued trait. Women appreciate men who can understand and respond to emotions effectively. It's about being present, listening, and showing empathy when it matters most. This creates a deep emotional connection and makes her feel valued. How to use it. Show genuine interest. Pay attention to her feelings and listen actively. Validate her emotions and show that you care about what she's going through. Be present. When she shares something with you, be fully present. Avoid the urge to fix her problems immediately. Sometimes she just needs to feel heard. Use engaged body language. Nods, smiles, and eye contact show that you're engaged and interested in what she's saying. This creates a sense of connection and makes her feel valued. By demonstrating emotional intelligence, you build a deeper, more meaningful connection with her. Women appreciate men who can understand and respond to their emotions, making this an essential trait for building attraction. If you've made it this far, you're among the few men who truly understand what it takes to master attraction. These insights are not about manipulation, but about understanding the dynamics of attraction and building genuine connections. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments and don't miss what's next. I've left a video on your screen with the signs to know if a woman is into you. See you there.